Can you spray WD-40 on garage door chain? This is a common question, and the short answer is no, it's not the best choice for maintaining your garage door. Let me explain why. WD-40 is a well-known product and highly versatile. It works great as a cleaner and rust remover, which is why many people think it's suitable for lubricating garage door chains. However, it's not designed to provide the lasting lubrication that a garage door chain requires. Garage door chains endure a lot of movement and stress every day, and they need a lubricant that reduces friction while standing up to dirt, moisture, and wear over time. WD-40 is more of a degreaser, which means it can clean off grime or old lubricant, but it leaves the chain vulnerable to increased friction and wear once it dries. So, what should you use instead? The best option is a silicone-based or lithium-based lubricant, both of which are specifically formulated for moving parts like garage door chains. These lubricants penetrate deep into the metal components, ensuring smooth operation while preventing rust and reducing noise. When applying the lubricant, make sure to use it sparingly. Too much can attract dirt and create a sticky mess over time. Focus on key areas like the chain, sprockets, and hinges, and avoid spraying it directly onto the garage door motor or electronics to prevent potential damage. As a pro tip, make it a habit to lubricate your garage door components every 6 months. This simple maintenance step not only keeps your garage door running smoothly and quietly but also extends the life of its parts, saving you from expensive repairs later. So, while WD-40 might have its place in your toolbox, leave it for cleaning and reach for a proper lubricant when it comes to your garage door chain.